So today is 4th of September 2020 and time is 9:22 am. Now coming on to our watch list. So traders, today stocks in our watch list are as usual Bank Nifty futures, Kotak Bank, Coal India, and here at last we want to add Sun Pharma. Yes. So traders, these are all stocks in our today's watch list. So I'll be watching each one of these, and when I'll get any opportunity to trade in any of these, I'll update you. So now I'm pausing the video. So traders, I am seeing an opportunity here. I will sell Kotak Bank at price near somewhere here. When this RSI, stochastic RSI, will cross this, and which will show some downwards momentum, and our target will be this above the support S3, and our stop loss will be above 78% retracement. So we are waiting for signal from stochastic RSI, and when it will give the signal, we will place our order. So let it show some downward momentum. And traders, let me tell you that our today's risk is 2000 rupees, so we will place order with 125 quantities. So let it give signal. It is taking some time, so we will wait for it. It is coming. There are more chances that it will spend some time here to break this S2, and after that it will come downwards. Also Bank Nifty is also coming showing some downward momentum, so Kotak Bank will behave the same. There are many chances. So RSI, stochastic RSI, is going to give signal, and we are waiting for that only. So traders, let it spend some time here. When it will give the signal, I'll update you. So traders, we have got the signal from stochastic RSI. Now we are placing our order with 125 quantities of selling order. So let us wait for our order to get placed. Traders, as you can see here, the trading view takes some times to place our order, but that's okay since it's a part of paper trading. Why it's taking that much time to place our order, don't know, but we will expect it to get placed here. Because at market price our order was placed at somewhere here, so our risk reward ratio is also very well. It is very good, as you can see here. So let's wait for our order to get placed. If our today's trade goes well, we will be in a good profit. So let's see what happens. So traders, we will consider our price, execution price at this price, and we'll see what happens. As you can see here also, our risk reward ratio is 1.94, which is very good. So traders, now as we have considered our execution price near somewhere here, we are now in trade. So when it will give any momentum, I'll update you. So traders, as you can see, the price is going opposite to our trade, but it's totally fine. Our stop loss is already decided, so let's wait for it to get some movement towards stop loss or target, no problem. So we will wait traders, and when it will hit a stop loss or our target, I'll update you next. So traders, as you can see here, our stop loss got triggered it's okay. We accept the loss. So let's calculate our today's loss. So traders our stop loss point was 13.80. So 13.80 and our quantity was 125. So our total loss is 1725. Now let me tell you the logic which I was using. So traders, first I seen that there was a support, and after coming towards, after it break down the support, this was S1. Yes, it was S1 support. No, it was S2. Okay, so first it came down of S2, so I thought after breaking down this, somewhere here it will takes resistance, and after that it will come downwards, but it didn't happen, and our stop loss got triggered. But it's totally fine. We accept the loss. And traders, this was the video of today's trade. Hope you enjoyed and gained some knowledge from this. So stay connected. Have a good day.